Hello and welcome to UltraCare PRO YouTube channel. Subscribe to this channel to learn more about UltraCare PRO products, its services and its usage. So in today's video, I am here to share with you some important exercises for wrist and hand pain relief. If you who are someone who is experiencing wrist pain or hand pain, at first place it's important to identify the cause of it. Because until unless you don't know the root cause behind your wrist pain or hand pain, you will not be able to figure out the right solution. But meanwhile, you go to your doctor and figure out the cause behind your wrist pain. Here are few things that you can do in order to get better relief from your wrist pain. Let's get started. So for the first exercise, sit at a comfortable place. Make sure there is a side rest which is a little higher while you are doing the exercises which I am going to show you for your wrist and hand pain relief. For this, also one more thing that you will need would be a towel roll or as in bedsheet roll like this. This will allow you to give support to your wrist joint while you are doing your exercise. So whenever you are suffering from wrist pain, what you need is in support, and what you need to do is gentle range of motion exercises. The wrist should be moving freely without any pain while you are doing this exercise. So make sure to take hot fermentation or else cold pack, whatever suits you better, before you start doing this exercise for at least 15 to 20 minutes. After you've done that, then sit in a comfortable position, place your hand over this towel roll and then the other hand place it above the wrist and then raise your wrist up and down. Again remember, this should be in pain-free range. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For the next exercise, you will keep your hands like this and then other hand would be supporting your wrist and then you will raise your wrist up and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. After that, you will hold this towel roll in the hand. Keep your hand supported on the table and drag this hand forward and backward in this way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Afterwards, if you have finger pain as well, what you can do is in the same position, you can raise your fingers up and then come back down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, down. 6, down. 7, down. 8, down. 9, down. 10 and relax. Very similarly, you will hold the towel roll in the hand like this, rotate it down and then up. 2 and up. If you find that holding this is making this process difficult, you can do it without the towel roll just by keeping your thumbs up like this. Move your hand in and then up. 2, up. 3, up. 4, up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 and relax. Afterwards, you will keep your fingers together like this you will spread your fingers and then bring it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. So friends, these were the exercises for your wrist pain relief. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me summarize it before I leave this video. So the first thing that you're going to do is definitely go and check with your doctor if your pain is older than 7 days. If your pain still persists, you should definitely figure out what is the cause behind your wrist pain or hand pain. Before you start exercise, make sure to take hot fermentation or cold compress depending on what is suitable to you or else has been prescribed by your doctor. When you start exercise, make sure you sit in a comfortable position and you have a good armrest on the side to do the exercise. Make sure to take help of a towel roll when you do the exercise. The first exercise that you will start with would be wrist bending up and down, followed by which you will move your wrist side to side. After that, you would be raising the fingers and bending the fingers. You will sliding the hand forward and back. You would be doing simple hand rotation exercises, as well as you would be doing finger glides. All these exercises you can do for 5 to 10 repetitions and gradually progress to 15 to 20 repetitions depending on your pain. One thing that you should always remember while doing the exercises is that all the exercise that you are doing should be pain-free, should not cause pain. The entire purpose of doing this exercise is to develop good mobility, good blood circulation and good movement around the painful area, because whenever there is pain, it leads to restricted movement. So friends, I hope this gives you a good clarity about your wrist pain relief and hand pain relief. If yes, make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends and family members, and do not forget to subscribe to UltraCare PRO YouTube channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.